Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Gardening channel. As you clicked on this video, you want to learn on how to grow hardy hibiscus in containers. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, here I have both hardy hibiscus, which is the Starry Night hardy hibiscus, as well as the Holy Grail Summerific hibiscus from PW. So PW means Proven Winners. If you're new to gardening, Proven Winners is an amazing plant company that provides great quality of plants. So this is like an original hardy hibiscus growth rate, while Proven Winners is like, boof, amazing. No, this is not a partnership towards Proven Winners, but hit me up, Proven Winners, if you're watching this video. I would love to collab with you guys. But a collaboration we are doing in this video is the Big Bag Bed Junior, the black Smart Pots raised bed from the Smart Pots company, an amazing company that provides cloth containers for every average gardener, which makes container gardening 100% more easier, and the quality is amazing. So a huge shout out to Smart Pots for partnering with us on this video. Amazing company, I love them. So a few things you need to know and have for this project is, of course, your container. You want to allow maximum depth, especially because hardy hibiscus tend to go a bit more deeper than any regular hibiscus, so you want to give them the space they need. Also, you want to have well draining soil, and we're also going to be mixing some tropical plant food fertilizer in the soil when we are planting them. And also, hardy hibiscus are full sun loving plants. They like to have moist soil but not wet feet, and they are susceptible to multiple different plant diseases out there, like powdery mildew and aphids, which I will show you guys what you guys should use to treat when it comes to that happening. So let me go ahead and set up the camera position and let's get to planting. So Ultimate Gardeners, these two were planted by Bare Root about 2 weeks ago. I purchased them through the Jungle Seed Company through Bare Root, which you can see they did amazing. They came alive, which I'm excited for. So I'm gonna put them in here in this particular container, so when winter comes and they die back and they are falling asleep during the winter, I'll be able to dig them up and do the same method again and plant them somewhere else. But I want them here specifically as a perfect show. So I'm gonna move these containers because they already made a mark where I want them to be. So right here is gonna go the Holy Grail. So I'm gonna make a hole. So I already tilled the soil like so. I'm gonna make a decent sized hole right here for my hardy hibiscus. So I made the hole for the hardy hibiscus, and here I have some leftover tropical plant food from the plants I did with the tropical plants of Florida. So I got some extra left, so I'm gonna just sprinkle some of this in there because it's a slow release fertilizer, which is great. And then it's time to plant. So I'm gonna go ahead and gently release this from the pot so I won't break any foliage. Woo! Look at that root system. It's nicely developed. It was not root bounding, which is great. So seems to be we did a great job at planting these. So I'm gonna just plop that down in the container like so, and we're gonna top dress it with the soil around it. Make sure to pat that soil around that root ball. Make sure there's no air pockets so no watering issues could happen in the future. So plant that in there and you're done. Super easy to do. That's why I love growing hibiscus, because they're super easy to plant and they're absolutely gorgeous and stunning. So let me go ahead and plant the Starry Night and let's talk about care tips. So Ultimate Gardeners, a few after planting care guide tips when it comes to hardy hibiscus is: number one, that soil must be moist at all times. Hardy hibiscus has a tendency to love moist soil but not wet feet. So make sure your growing medium has a well-draining substance, as well as a substance that can retain a little bit of moisture to keep that root system happy. Number two, you want to keep this in an area where it will receive 6 to 7 plus hours of direct sunlight, because hardy hibiscus, even though they were breeded to grow in colder climates, that doesn't mean they don't love sun. So try to give them a full sun location area, because especially if you have a hardy hibiscus that has a tendency to have that burgundy leaf, in order to have that burgundy leaf, you need to give it as much sunlight as you can so it can richen that color up. Number three is fertilizing. You want to fertilize monthly or based on how powerful your fertilizer is. That's where reading the description comes in play, because all fertilizers are different. All the nitrogen and potash values are completely different. So based on how powerful it is when your next application should be. So make sure to read the label carefully. A next thing is that when it comes to spraying, I would recommend like neem oil or something like that, because aphids and powdery mildew are huge pests that attack hardy hibiscus. Hardy hibiscus are tender and they are so acceptable when it comes to any diseases out there. So make sure to spray them with any type of neem oil or organic spray you have weekly until the plant is more mature and it establishes in its new home. So that's gonna be it for this exciting spreading video, you guys. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So to main gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting spreading video. Once again, in this video, we covered the things you need to learn on how to grow hardy hibiscus in containers. So huge shout out to Smart Pots for partnering with us on this video. All their links are down below for you guys to check out. So go show them some support, go follow them and check out their products because they are amazing. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel. And please share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where their flowers come from. But not only that, learn how to grow them. So thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.